We just had to save birds in the backyard. Tux, by the way, good going. No, not really mad at him. Great going. He knocked over the pot over there when Mom came out because there have been baby birds to be took. So 4 of them start coming out. I don't think they fully saw yet.
Tell Dad. It came back out of the fence. It's the baby bird. Tell Dad to come help it.
Oh, yeah, I see it.
It came out. It came back. It's chirping.
It's came back. Mom sees it.
It's back.
Dad's already caught 2 birds earlier.
It came back in from the fence.
see
Thank
it.
God, I'm not crazy. So it popped back in. Right there he is. The
I see
baby
it.
bird that I said flew
Okay.
over there.
He's trying to make his way back to the nest.
Yes. So he just came out and he's
Wow.
so cute. It like appeared on my.
Nature and animals are beautiful.
Okay, so look under the very left of the grill, straight back at the fence panels.
It was probably
Ball,
attracted
that's
to
it.
its siblings, which the other
And it
2
came
or
out
3
from
are in
that
the
little
pot right there.
opening.
Yeah, I know.
Dad got
That's what I
2,
was
1
working
stayed
on.
in the pot,
Okay.
and now we have
I'm
this
not gonna
one.
be able to get that bird.
Can we get it?
I
if
can
we
try.
Move the grill. Tom's watching all this.
Wow, Dad, you already caught 2 of them. You're awesome. And then 1 stayed. There's 4 in total. So Dad caught 2, 1 right like
You gonna
there,
listen, Tiger?
and
Who's
1
gonna do it?
on the other side of the fence.
Here, birdie. Oh, now it's under the grill.
I see it.
Oh, it's to the right of the grill.
I see it. It's right here.
I don't want it to get back into the fence.
You see it?
No.
Where did it go?
It's back in the fence now.
Yeah, I saw it like right here. Oh. I'm gonna put this in here to see if it's somewhere in here. Actually, it might be right around here too. It's on top of the fence, right above the grill. The neighbor has his mower on, so it's quite loud and probably terrifying, but they're used to it. But we also can't hear the birds that well. Mom was sitting here like the mom, trying to hear for chirping and noises, because it can help.
Okay, she hears.
This is quite literally bird watching.
She's talking to her baby bird, so Tiger.
See it?
Yeah.
Okay, I just went over here.
Look.
It's
Look,
behind that green bag.
Look, it's following its mom. Do you see
Wow.
that?
Yes, I see it. A lot of stores taking it around here. Sorry.
Okay, there's the mom. She's like, okay. That was
Mom's
it.
convinced the dad is back too.
Are they starting to fly? Is that the other baby bird? Or is that the mom bird?
I don't know. It doesn't happen that quickly. It's probably the mom bird.